I don't know how to fix this. Oh God. How do I fix this? Hey everyone, my name is Nisha Shetty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Parlors are now opening up and I see people going to the salons and getting their hair done, but in this lockdown, most of us have had many things to do on their bucket lists, like baking a cake, working out, losing weight, gaining weight, joining TikTok.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah.
I don't do TikTok videos anymore, but I miss TikTok. So the one thing that was pending on my bucket list was cutting my hair myself at home. Thanks to stress and my crazy sleep cycles, I have lost a lot of hair in this lockdown. The volume of my hair has become half of what it was when the lockdown began. And I'm not even exaggerating here, by the way. मतलब मैं बिल्कुल बड़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I mean, look at this. This is a video that I made at the beginning of the lockdown and now बस यही रह गया है. मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया मेरा. But कोई नहीं, अपनी खेती है, उग जाएगी. Hair falls, hair grows, it's okay. Let's be positive. I'm going to start taking care of my hair from tomorrow, and if I see some major changes, I'll definitely make another video for all of you. We need 5 products to cut our hair ourselves at home. The first product that we need is a heat protectant, and I'm using the BBlunt Heat Protection Hair Mist. Of course, you can use any heat protectant, a spray or mist or serum of your choice. The second product that we need is a straightener, and I'm using the Remington hair straightener. I really love this one and I will link this in the description down below. The third product is a hairbrush. You can use any brush or comb. I'm using the one from Roots. I really like this one because this beautifully detangles my hair. And then we need hair ties. Of course, you can use any hair ties. The last and the most important one, a pair of scissors. So of course, I don't have the professional hair cutting scissors, and I wasn't planning to order one for my first attempt. If I'm successful now, I will definitely order the hair cutting scissors from Amazon soon. Also, a quick update, this is my natural hair. I haven't done anything. Let me quickly show you my ends. It's looking decent today, huh? Believe me, ये सच्चा ही नहीं है. पता नहीं कैसे आज अच्छा लग रहा है. उसको पता था शायद वो कैमरा में आने वाला है. So yeah, that's me and my hair. Now I'm quickly going to spray some heat protectant on my face, on my hair. I'm sorry, I'm going to be looking this side. It's my camera screen. Everything that I'm doing, nothing is professional. बस मैं भी आप लोग के जैसे एक amateur लड़की हूँ जो इस lockdown में नई नई चीजें घर पे try कर रही हूँ. And you know what? I love the smell of this BBlunt one. I recently started using this one. I apologize in advance because I'm going to be all awkward. I don't have an extension board, and
this is what happens when you're not prepared to straighten your hair on camera.
Sorry guys, I had to change my camera angle so that I'm closer to the switchboard. I've also changed my hairstyle and now I look like Radhe from Tere Naam. I just realized I've hidden the most favorite part of my setup, that's smile, talk and inspire. If you're new to my channel, let me tell you, I love to smile, I love to talk, and I love to inspire people. These 3 words are also my hashtags on social media. If you're enjoying this video, please do follow me on Instagram as well. So finally, let's stop talking and start straightening. So here I'm going to be using the tail comb because I'm more comfortable with it. मैं एकदम ठीक से detailing में नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I'm just going to try to straighten it a little.
And I'm not comfortable. This is not how I usually do it, friends. Please don't judge me and my straightening skills. I'm very good at this otherwise. Just that the cord is very short. और I am far from the cord. मतलब तो ऐसे हो गया, अभी बाल भी ज़्यादा नहीं है स्ट्रेटनिंग के लिए, तो ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगेगा. I need a mirror for this. Oh, I have a mirror. The first thing that I'm doing after this video is ordering an extension board.
So my hair's all straight. This is the length of my hair, and I suggest that you cut your hair when it's dry, especially if you're doing it for the very first time, because when it's wet, you won't get the proper judgment of the length of your hair. I'll quickly show you the length from behind as well.
That's my length and of course a not so great volume.
Take your brush and your hair ties and tie your ponytail. You have to put your head upside down and make sure the knot comes over here. And I'm sure I'm not able to explain it right. Hence, let me show you how it's done.
Now I'm supposed to look down like this. I forgot my brush. How can I misplace something in like 10 seconds? That's me, guys. Oh, yeah. Now,
You have to brush out your hair like this.
brush it really well so that there are no tangles. I hope I'm in the frame. Let me quickly peek. Yes, I am.
I think it's pretty decent. And now I'm going to tie a pony right over here. I'm going to tie it really tight. Yeah. So that's my first ponytail. Why do I feel it's not symmetric? But it's okay. I'm not going to do it again. Now I'm going to tie another band over here. Let me just use this one as the measuring. How much do I cut? Should I go all short like this or this? I'm wondering. Okay, let me not risk. Let me not be too adventurous and use this as my mark. And now let's cut it. I'm going to cut about this. This is it too much? वैसे ये पतले है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? जय माता दी.
Why do I feel I'm not doing it right? Something's wrong.
This is the dead hair and my ends, and some of it is still left. Let me just cut it.
And I don't know if it's... Is it slanting? And it's okay, it's layers, farak nahi padta.
So if you hold it like this and then you can look at it. Oh, you can't look at it. Can you now? Yeah, this is better. This angle is better.
It looks okay. अभी भी लग रहा है ये साइड थोड़ा ज़्यादा है.
A few moments later.
And now what we're supposed to do is point cut it so that it's not blunt, it looks more natural. I'm going to divide this one big strand, and suddenly I don't feel my hair is too thin. I don't know why. Tik tak lag raha hai. I'm going to put this and divide it into two. Point cut is for you to smoothen the edges. Once you're done doing this, it's very simple. You have to hold your scissors vertical like this and you have to cut it straight. Vertically cut karna hai, seedhe seedhe. And you can also go like teda teda, aisa aisa aisa. You can like go a little slanting as well. Any professional who's watching this, please don't judge me. This is the first time I'm doing it. I'm loving this process. I think this is my favorite part. See the difference? This one looks too blunt and sharp. This one looks fine. So now we'll repeat the same over here. And let me quickly open my hair and see how it's turned out to be. I still have a feeling ये side बड़ा होने वाला because I've not tied it properly. And yeah, I'm doing only one layer. I just hope that this one turns out to be fine. This is not bad, huh? You know what? I'm liking this. Okay, let me quickly check if it's equal from both the ends. Guys, it's almost... No, I think I can call this equal. See? The bangs are equal. This is good. Okay, the layers, I feel this side on my right are much more defined and more perfect than the ones on my left. But koi nahi, I think this is pretty good. I should go and do another layer. No, no Nishan, no. Let me quickly show you how it looks from behind. I did not trust myself, hence I did not shorten the length too much. Of course, you can go as short as you want, and now, like I told you, I have done just one layer. In case you want to add more layers to it, all you can do is you can take this portion of your hair. Let me show you how it is, from one ear to the other like this, and then repeat the same process. You have to look down, you have to tie a ponytail here, and then cut as per how much you want. That's it. It's as simple as that. And then again, अगर आपके पास बहुत सारे बाल हैं और आपको और ज़्यादा layers चाहिए, you can add another layer to it. There's a third one only for this section, which is your crown section. Just this much, like this, and then again twist down and cut. And yeah, that's how you do it. In the end, I'll simply say I'm really happy after doing this, because in this lockdown we have done everything on our own. We do our eyebrows ourselves, we do our upper lips at home. By the way, I also have a video of doing upper lips at home yourself. I'm going to link it over here. Please do watch it. And for the ones who have already watched it, I know many of you have come back to me and told me, "Arey, tere upper lips itne laal ho gaye the. We could see you in so much pain." So let me tell you, while I was doing that, I had grown my upper lips to the fullest, so the strands were really long and they were of course denser, which is why it was painful. And of course, since I was doing it for the first time, now I've been doing it regularly in the lockdown, and believe me, it doesn't pain much when your hair is shorter. So don't get scared. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm so sorry. Before I conclude, I request all of you out there, please, please, please stop stressing about hair fall or any other hair issue that you're facing. Believe me, you are not alone. We are all in this together. We are all facing problems. It's absolutely fine. Don't stress about hair, because we already have so many things to stress about in life. So yeah, chill. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Jab tak main hu tere side, everything's gonna be alright. The Bollywood Kida in me is never going to die. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Nisha Shetty signing off from this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching once again, and keep smiling, everyone.